Yo guys, what is up? So in this particular video we will learn about how can we take a certain part of our screenshot. That means if I just want to take screenshot of this part, how can I take that? If I want to just take a screenshot of this part, and how can I take that? So basically you would be able to take screenshots in the form of square and rectangles, mostly rectangles. I mean like this or this or this. It'd be having no circular shape or any other shape. So we'll do that exactly in this damn video. So for that you need to hold, not just press, hold Control Shift and then Windows, hold Windows, Shift and then S. You see, Windows, Shift and S, all these keys been held together. You see, we got 4 options there. So I like this first option, rectangular mode, and I don't like that. We'll start with this rectangular mode. So as I said, I want to take screenshot of this damn part. So just hold the cursor and just take the screenshot. So screenshot has been taken. So it just gets saved at a certain place. So let me show you. Okay, so so as I said that it has been pasted, so you can try. So open Google and instead of paste it here. So you see our screenshot was captured. If you don't still believe me, so let's try to paste it here. So you see our screenshot is available. So it's not about that, so it should be saved as somewhere. So basically it copied, the screenshot has been copied as well as it is saved. So let's search where it is saved. So basically it is saved in pictures and screenshots. So for somebody who is using Windows 10, so Windows 10 or 11, they'll have a problem finding this folder. So straight away if you click on pictures, you'll not be able to find it. So you need to go to your computer's named file, this region, and then you need to go to pictures. Now there are 2 pictures, so you need to click on this one, non-graphical icon wala one, and click on pictures. You got a screenshot, you'll find all the screenshots you have ever taken. So we took this one, so it's there, the file is saved there. So you can use it, manipulate it, copy paste it, Photoshop it and dance with it. So hopefully it helped. And you can also try other modes by Windows Shift and S. So Windows Shift and S you need to press. So this is freeform, you can just select this, just screenshot is taken, and this was cool, right? So look how cool screenshot is taken. You can try other one like this one, I don't know what is this. So it took the screenshot of the window opened in front of it. So Windows Shift S. So this was, I think, window mode, yeah, and this is entire full screen. So you see full screen screenshot has been taken. So it is fun, right? So hopefully it helps you with the video, and I'll catch you up later. Tab tak ke liye enjoy your damn life, man. And please hit the subscribe button. In this damn channel I feel like adding coding videos and all, but currently I'm myself learning JavaScript and thinking of ending my course which I'm taking and create some cool websites so that I can show off to you guys. Tab tak ke liye enjoy, buddies, enjoy, man. Who's stopping you? And yeah, I was also leave it, man. I'll rant some other time. Tab tak ke liye take care. Bye bye.